Do you have an error preventing the AppX Deployment Server DLL from loading? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the issue and have the verified solution to fix your system today. Before diving into the AppX Deployment Server technical steps, check the description for a tool to help synchronize your library paths. This is the AppX Deployment Server, the AppX Deployment Server library. It manages the unmanaged localized installation and localized registration of localized Microsoft Store.appx packages, critical for the localized stability of localized UWP applications. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. Since this involves a protected library, we should use the standard Windows repair protocol. Execute sfc/scan now from an elevated command prompt to detect registry inconsistencies and repair files like Appxdeploymentserver.dll. If the error persists despite the new library files, we must verify if a simple synchronization conflict is preventing the file from loading. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the AppX Deployment Server component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. With the reboot complete, check your status. If you're still seeing that error, here is the next phase of the fix. Remember, you can pause the video at any time. Restarting didn't fix the underlying corruption, so now we'll run a command to repair the Windows component store. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism /online /cleanup image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces a fresh download of official system components to resolve deep-seated corruption that standard local repairs cannot fix. Beyond the repair, maintaining a secure workstation requires avoiding a few common technical mistakes. It is critical to avoid the manual installation of AppX Deployment Server DLL unless you are following a verified engineering protocol, as a single directory error can prevent your OS from booting and result in significant data loss. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. A structured registry approach is outlined in the software linked below, including AppX Deployment Server management references. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide helped AppX Deployment Server workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.